Right, it definitely seems to me that the older I get, the better I was. And I definitely belong to the used to could club. I used to could shoot a basketball. I used to could play football, but not anymore. However, there's one thing that I've noticed that when I get older, I'm actually getting better at, and that's pickleball. Yep, I can do it both-handed. No, just kidding. I got 2 paddles here. I got a couple balls. And since I upgraded my paddles, I want to also upgrade my bag. Let me show you this new pickleball bag that I just picked up. It is brand new, not broken in. It will be broken in, rest assured. But as I travel around full-time RVing park to park, there's 2 things that I noticed. 1, there's always somebody that's better than me. And 2, they're usually older than me too as well. So the older I get, the better pickleball player. It's just logic, right? You got to make logic, right? So let's take a look at this bag. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments and this Sling Bag pickleball bag. Now, obviously on this back compartment, probably where you're gonna put your keys or anything that you wanna just protect. And then, and then you have a zipper. So it's your style, however you wanna use it. You wanna use it as a backpack or a sling bag or whatever. Plus you have a hook right here. So you can hook that onto, you can put that on the fence line and you can see it and keep it line of sight at all times. The other thing that it has is it has a mole system right here, so you can put some carabiners. In fact, it comes with a carabiner. So if you want this here or here, personally, what I've done is with my water bottle, because I don't want to lose my water bottles, because my water bottle can get kind of heavy and I don't want it falling out. So just take that clip right here and I clip it to my water bottle so that when I'm walking or I'm waiting to play, and when I'm done and I'm playing, I'll take this out of the bag and actually put it on the ground. But this is secure it so that I know when I'm hiking to and from the car or I'm walking to and from the car, it's not going to leave my side, right? So let's go over to the compartments. You obviously have a section right here, which is your main section. Inside of here, you have a subsection right here. All right, so let's go over all the compartments really quick and what you get. Like I said before, you get the mole straps right here. You get some patchwork, so you can take these off and remove them at will. And so whatever you like, you could customize it however you like with the Velcro right there. Your top compartment right here, you have a mesh compartment right here where it's a little tight mesh compartment, so you could put your keys or whatever in there if you wanted to. And then you have your main compartment. You have a zipper compartment right here where you could put, if you wanted to, keys or a wallet, a phone in any of these compartments while you're playing. You also have this inside compartment where you can put some balls in here. And then you have a mesh breathable pocket right in here if you wanted to store anything. If you wanted to put anything in here to make it a little bit breathable right here. Then you have your open big pocket, obviously, for your paddle. So if you wanted to keep a couple paddles in here, you can. And the cool thing about this is that you have a shield or separator, fabric separator here so that your paddles don't touch and don't bang around and you keep them in the trunk of your car or whatever, right? You can actually put a couple balls in there as well. And you have plenty of space if you wanted to add maybe even a third paddle if you're carrying this around for family and friends. While you may not score any points on the pickleball court, you're going to score major points carrying this around in the fashion department, because this is fashion meets utility and practicality. I mean, it has everything that you need or that you want in a pickleball bag. So that's why I got mine, and it probably is going to work out for you too.